Okay, so I have some chives that are going bad, and I saw Jake Talks Food make some chive salt pretty easily, so we're gonna try it. I do not have a dehydrator, so I'm just going to put my oven on to the lowest setting possible, which is 170. And then we got a little parchment paper. And put these chives on this parchment paper. And we'll put them in the oven for about maybe like an hour or two. I'll take a look at them after an hour and see how they look. And we'll come back. It's been about 30 minutes, still moist, so we will come back. Okay, it's been like a full hour. I think we should be good. Yeah, we're good. Okay, now we don't have a spice grinder, so we're gonna use a mortar and pestle. Get these in here. Okay. And now we're just gonna grind this up. Ooh, smells really good. And now we're gonna add a bunch of salt. And blend it in. And that looks pretty good. That was super simple. Let's taste a little salt. Ooh, that's nice. Little container, salt in. You get every last bit out. Nice, we have chive salt. Easy as that. You can do this with any herb. That's it. Goodbye.